Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add watermark in Canva. So it's very simple step. All you have to do is follow along. So in this left corner you can see all these elements text. So let's go to the upload. Let's upload one random photo. Okay, let's set this one over here. Setting as his background. Or maybe I want to add this one over here. Yeah, this one will do. Let's set the image as background. So let's say I want to add watermark to this one, okay? So all you have to do is tap in whatever you want to add. Like it can be your company name or your name if it's your creation. So let's tap in editing 24/7, right? Sorry. Yeah, so this is the text. And we're gonna have to make it a bit larger and bold. So, okay. Very large, like this. So, okay. This is the text. So this is the watermark you would add. In order to do that, you can see in this top bar, you can see the option of transparency. Simply tap in that and keep it all the way down. Maybe this much is enough. So yeah, you can add it anywhere, here or anywhere. So this is how you create watermark in Canva. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.